Hey, little guy. Let's see if we can get him to kick. He was just going a minute ago. Oh, is Xavier happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
No, I'm still not happy. Did you tell Mommy you were sorry?
Sorry.
It's okay, honey. I love you.
I love you too.
Come on, little boy.
But we're still kicking.
Yeah. Oh. I don't know if you could see that. He just gave a good kick, though. Give Xavier kisses. Thank you.
I love you.
I love you. That was Xavier. There he goes again.
Look at Xavier.
Yeah.
That's your Xavier. I'm your Xavier.
I just don't know if I could do that.
Okay, let's see if I can. Okay, that was not him. That's me. Trying to get my shirt.
Some call it a sneak peek. We call it dessert.
Keep going, little boy.
Watch a selected highlight from tomorrow's episode right now.
There you go.
Depression is a serious medical condition. It can take so much out of you. I feel like I have to wind myself up just to get out of bed. Then, well, I have to keep winding
Hi,
myself up
Kimosimi.
to deal with the sadness, the loss of
Hi, Xavier.
the trouble concentrating, the lack of energy. If depression is taking so much out of you, ask your doctor about Pristiq.
Pristiq is a prescription medicine proven to treat depression. Pristiq is thought to work by affecting the levels of
Are you being shy, little boy?
serotonin and norepinephrine.
Yes, Mama.
He is?
Unusual changes in mood,
See me.
thoughts of suicide. Antidepressants can increase
He's
suicidal thoughts
a
of
cute boy.
He's a cute boy.
Yeah.
approved for children under 18.
Oh, you giving him hugs.
Pristiq with NSAID pain relievers
Oh, you're so sweet.
increase bleeding risk. Tell your doctor
Come on, Xavier.
including those
Go on,
to avoid
Timmy.
potentially life-threatening
Go on,
conditions.
Timmy.
May cause or worsen high blood pressure.
Okay.
Papa.
Apparently he has stopped.
Or before you reduce or stop taking Pristiq,
Stop.
Yeah, he's not kicking anymore.
He's still kicking more.
Oh,
about Pristiq.
He's kicking
maybe.
Like 2009 H1N1. Wash your hands and get your flu shot. Regularly disinfect surfaces and talk
Yeah, there he goes again.
Plus help spread protection against flu viruses like 2009 H1N1.
Xavier.
Most people make resolutions based on what they see on the outside. This year, focus on what's inside and let Tyrion
There you go.
your cholesterol. Now you can win a free box to get started.
Lip color like you've never felt before. New Revlon Colorburst Lipstick. Impossibly light feel, intensely rich color. Together at last. Revlon Colorburst Lipstick. It's love at first sight.
Oh, I think that's all we're gonna get.
Podcast.
Oh, are they doing the potty dance? Alright. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.